Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn money doing surveys from a very legit high-paying survey site. And that's not going to be the only way that you're going to be earning. You're going to be earning from 4 other ways. So you're going to have 5 multiple ways of earning on this one very easy site. And I'm going to get started right now, guys. Hi, I'm back, and this is the site I want to show you. It's called Vendel Research. It is a very popular and very legit website, survey site to actually earn from, okay? These guys definitely pay out, and these guys pay out cash, guys, okay? You're not going to be earning points. You're going to be earning PayPal cash from this website, and you can even earn $1 just to sign up for this website, guys, okay? So it says, welcome, join Vendel Research today and start earning cash for taking surveys online. Earn cash, not points, and you get full service support and always 100% free. And you can earn up to $50 high-paying surveys, guys, okay? So this is the site. So you would sign up here using your Facebook or just an email address if you wish. And so get paid to take surveys online. Vendel is the secure, reliable, and free service site for anyone who wants to earn money online. So if you click on free get started, you're going to get to this page where you could complete your profile and get your account set up. But if I go back to the front page, you can see here, this is how it works, okay? So you're going to have easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys added daily, millions paid. They've already paid out almost $8 million, and you are going to get your money through PayPal, okay? So this is basically worldwide as long as you have PayPal access, okay? And you can do this on any device you wish, and you can do it from home or on the go. So how does it work? You're going to take paid surveys. You're going to share demographic information about yourself, and Vendel Research will match you to paid surveys. You're going to browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have us email you when new surveys come in that you qualify for. Getting paid for your opinion couldn't be easier. This is going to be the highest paying surveys in the industry. You're going to access hundreds of daily paid surveys and complete surveys on any device, okay? You're going to redeem your earnings by PayPal. When choosing your reward, select payment via PayPal and spend your earnings however you like. And so all surveys are worth real cash, not points. And you basically, and the surveys will tell you how much you can earn right away as well, okay? What are the surveys about? Survey topics cover a wide variety of topics, and here are just a few of the topics: cars, politics, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants, new technology, travel, shopping, health, and so many more, okay? And what makes them unique? They have cash payments, and they have full support team to answer any questions that you may have. So they are fully supported. You're not going to have people not answering you. And you could take your surveys anywhere you want, okay? Getting paid is simple. You're just going to request payment quickly and easily, and there's no processing fees, and it's going to be just quick PayPal payments. And so here you're going to have multiple ways to earn, which I'll go into in a bit, but I just want to give you some sample surveys to check out first. Paid survey examples. Curious to know what kind of online paid surveys you'll be taking once you become a Vendel member? Below, you'll find examples of actual surveys we have offered recently and what members thought of them. So you'll see that these surveys here, for example, baby food study, you could earn $10 for this easy survey, which only takes 35 minutes, which is pretty good for, that's a big payout for 35 minutes. And it's 5-star rated with 128 people trying it. So that is very good. A pet survey has $1. Food survey, it's a $3.50. but it's only 10 minutes here, it's 17 minutes here. So you can see how much you will get paid for how long the surveys take. Okay. Though of course the shorter it is, the less you're gonna earn. But look at this one, 6 minutes for $11. Wow. This is a homeowner survey. So you need to own a home to qualify for sure this one. But look at this, how many people have tried it, and it's 5-star, guys, okay? So that is why these are just sample ones and why they are one of the higher paying surveys, okay? And you're gonna get different ways to earn as well. So not just the surveys. So first thing is the surveys. Of course, they are known for their paid surveys, and that's how they started. But they have now added other ways to earn as well. So now there are reward codes. Find reward codes and get paid. Join the Vendel community on the blog and social pages for challenges, polls, alerts, and find reward codes worth cash throughout the week. So you basically got to just follow their social media to get these codes when they announce it, and then you can earn using those reward codes. They have a referral program, so this is going to be an easy way for you guys to earn as well. You get $5 for every friend you refer. The more the merrier. For every friend you refer to Vendel, you get $5. Go ahead, share that link. So, I mean, there's nothing to it. $5 for every person that you can refer. And then you could earn cash for every email you open. I mean, how easy is this, guys? Okay, earn just for reading paid email. Opt into reward mail in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages. Of course, these are going to be ads or things, emails that's trying to make you pay and buy stuff, but you're going to get paid just to open that email. And then the last option to earn on here is Vendel videos, which you can watch paid videos and give feedback. So it pays to press play, enjoy video surveys for money. To see if you're eligible, look for a videos tab on your surveys page. So that's going to be pretty easy for a video to earn. So those are the 6 ways for you to, 5 ways for you to earn on here total. 5 total ways. And if you look at some of the reviews they have on this reviews page, there's going to be tons of people you'll see here that has been using Vendel, and they've been paid using PayPal. And so there's tons of people like this. All right. And if you look at the reviews on Trustpilot, they're getting a 4-star, which is a very good rating. So here's a 1-star, but majority is 5 to 4 stars. So Vendel has been around for a while, and I've heard of them as well. So they are a very reliable survey site that won't screw you over or, give you waste your time or anything like that. So this is definitely a legit survey site that you can try and make some money. But of course, any survey site is not going to generate any consistent income, because this is just the type of site it is. You can earn a little bit. There are 5 different ways to earn, so you can rack up enough money to get paid out. So you're gonna get paid out pretty easily via PayPal. So you're gonna get paid quickly as well, because PayPal do pay out quickly. So this is gonna be eligible for anybody who has PayPal access. Okay, but like I'm saying, if you earn money from this site, save that money and invest it in yourself so you can learn some real online skills to make the big money online, guys. Okay, you're gonna need to check out that first link in the video description below, where I give you more information about the program that can teach you high income online skills that is required to actually make bigger money online and make a consistent online income every single day, even in your sleep, guys. Okay, you can earn passively if you use this kind of business model to earn online, but you need to learn how to do this, guys, because nobody really knows how to do it unless they learn, okay, guys? And you know, not everybody can just jump online and just make a lot of money. That's just not how it goes. Everybody needs to go and learn from the right places, and I got the right places for you. So go check out the first link in the video description below, and I will give you more information on that program and how I have used it as well to make big money online, guys. Okay? So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel, or else how else are you going to make more money, guys, okay? So you can learn more ways to make more money from my channel. And subscribe, okay, guys? And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright, guys, I really hope you will make big money soon. And I hope you will check out this Vendel research and make some little money so that you can invest in yourself, guys. Okay, I hope I will see you on the next video. Bye.